निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Yesterday we saw how many types of lingas are there?
Three. Three types.
Three. Lingam त्रिविधम, अन्वय व्यतिरेकी, केवलान्वयी, केवल व्यतिरेकी च इति. So three types of lingas are there. Anvaya Vyatireki means it has Anvaya Vyapti as well as Vyatireki Vyapti. What is Anvaya Vyapti Drishtanta? Yatra yatra sadhanam tatra tatra sadhyam. Yatra yatra dhumah tatra tatra vanni. This is Anvaya Vyapti. And Vyatireka Vyapti is Vyatireka Vyapti is यत्र वन्य अभाव वन्य अभाव, यत्र यत्र वन्य अभाव तत्र तत्र धूम अभाव, और यत्र यत्र साध्य अभाव तत्र तत्र साधना अभाव. इन व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति व्हाट इज व्यापक? साधना अभाव इज व्यापक in Vyatireki Vyapti. And in Anvayi Vyapti, what is Vyapya? Means sadhana. In Anvayi Vyapti, what is Vyapya? Is sadhana. So last we saw the shloka. You see the shloka on page number 63. व्याप्य व्यापक भावो ही भावयोर यादृगिष्यते तयोर भावयोस्तस्माद् विपरीत प्रतीयते. What you should do is you should make sure you understood this shloka and you should write this shloka explanation in whatever language, Hindi, English or your own mother tongue, in your book, and you make sure it is correct. Vyapya vyapaka bhava is between भाव साध्य साधन which is भाव रूप. This is अन्वय व्याप्ति. And their abhava tayoho abhavayoho, their vyatireka vyapti is viparita. Anvaye sadhanam, another shloka is also given just to explain the same idea. In Anvaya sadhanam is vyapyam, sadhya is vyapakam, and in Vyatireka sadhya bhava is vyapya, sadhana bhava is vyapaka. Up to this we saw. Now further, okay, Moolam I will read. Anvaya matra vyaptikam केवलान्वयी यथा घटो विधेयः प्रमेयत्वात् पटवत् everybody should chant, huh? अत्र प्रमेयत्वाभिधेयत्वयोर् व्यतिरेकव्याप्तिर्नास्ति
व्यतिरेकव्याप्तिर्नास्ति
सर्वस्यापि प्रमेयत्वादभिधेयत्वाच्च
सर्वस्याप्यभिधेयत्वात्
so wait, let me just explain this. यथा so अन्वय मात्र व्याप्तिकम is called केवलान्वयी lingam. There where there is अन्वय मात्र व्याप्ति means व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति is negated by matra shabda. What is said is there is no व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति, so it is neither अन्वय व्यतिरेकी nor व्यतिरेकी, it is only अन्वयी, केवल अन्वयी. अन्वय मात्र व्याप्तिकम केवलान्वयी. What will be the next word? How will you complete the word sentence? अन्वय मात्र व्याप्तिकम केवलान्वयी. Then
तस्य अन्वयस्य लक्षणं
huh? No.
वैनः लक्षणं
No, lingam. This is linga. 3 types of linga are there. Anvaya matra vyaptikam, kevalanvayi, lingam. Lingam. Now, anumanam is given. Yatha. Ghato avidheyaha. What is sadhya? What is sadhya?
Kapala.
No. Ghata is sadhya. Who said it? Abhidheyatva. Abhidheya is sadhya. Ghato abhidheya. What is sadhya? Abhidheya. What is paksha?
Paksha is Gata and Abhideya is Sadhya.
Good. You can at least repeat after what I say.
Avideya means Swamiji name, no? The name.
Wait, I will explain. First, you answer my questions correctly. What is paksha? Ghata.
Gata.
What is sadhya? Abhidheyatvam. Abhidheyatvam is sadhya. What is the hetu?
Prameyatva.
Prameyatvam is the hetu.
Prameyatva.
Prameyatvam is the hetu. What is the drishtanta?
Patavatu.
No, pata is drishtanta. Patavat is not drishtanta. Pata is drishtanta. Pata is drishtanta. Prameyatvam is hetu. Abhidheyatvam is sadhyam. Ghata is paksha. What is pratigna?
Ghata Avideya.
Ghato avideya. What is vyapti?
Yatra yatra Prameyatvam tatra tatra Abhideyatvam.
Yatra yatra prameyatvam tatra tatra abhideyatvam. This is which vyapti? Anvayi vyapti. What will be vyatireki vyapti? If there is vyatireki vyapti.
Yatra yatra Abhideya Abhava. Prameyatvam.
Yatra yatra abhideyatva abhava. Tatra tatra prameyatva abhava. Yatra yatra abhideyatva abhava tatra tatra prameyatva abhava. This is vyatireki vyapti. In Anvayi vyapti, what is vyapaka?
Abhideya.
Avideyatvam. And prameyatvam is vyapya. Now, See, for these things, all you need to know is what is paksha. You don't have to know what is the meaning of abhidheyatva. You don't have to know the meaning of prameyatva. But you can still know what is paksha, sadhya, pratigna, hetu, drashtanta, vyapti, vyapya, vyapaka, vyatireki vyapti. All these answers should be known to you just by looking at a vakya. If anumanam is given, these 9 or 10 things you should be able to answer. This is simplest anumanam. Only 4 small padas are there. Ghataha, abhideyaha, prameyatvad, patavat. That's all. So immediately I should know all these things. Then I will be able to analyze further. Now, something new I want to explain. In Vyapti, there is something called Samavyapti and something called Vishama Vyapti. Samavyapti means where in Vyapti, Vyapya and Vyapaka, they have equal footing. It is called Samavyapti. Means yatra yatra vyapya tatra tatra vyapaka. Yatra yatra vyapaka tatra tatra vyapya. Both ways it is true. Then it is called samavyapti. But where it is not, where one is vyapya, another is vyapaka, another is more pervading, then it is Vishama Vyapti. Like Dhuma and Vanni. Yatra yatra Dhuma, tatra tatra Vanni. But yatra yatra Vanni, tatra tatra Dhuma. Is it true?
No.
No.
Where is Vyabhichara?
Vyapaka is more than Vyapya.
Artha side.
No, you have to give Drashtanta.
Ayogolaka.
Ayogolaka. In iron ball which is heated, what is there? Vanni is there. Dhuma is not there. So yatra yatra Vanni tatra tatra Dhuma, this Vyapti is not there. Therefore there is Vyabhichara. So Dhuma and Vanni does not have Samavyapti. Dhuma Vanni has Vishama Vyapti. But this Abhidheyatva Prameyatva, now come to this example, they have Samavyapti. Abhidheya means Vachya. Abhidheya means Vachya. Mandukya Upanishad you have already seen. Abhidheya, Abhidhana. What is Abhidhanam?
Abhidhanam is the object.
Vachakaha.
Vad.
Abhidheya is Vachya. Abhidhana is Vachakaha. So Abhidheyatva and Prameyatva. Prameya means something which becomes an object of knowledge. So it is Jnaya. What we call Jnaya is Prameya. Anything that is Prameya is Abhidheya. And anything that is Abhidheya is Prameya. First think. Don't answer any question. Think about this. Whatever is Prameya, Ghata is Prameya. Don't only think, answer also.
Yes, Swamiji, yes.
Ghata is Prameya. Pata is Prameya.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, Pata is the Drashtanta here. Okay? Drashtanta has Hetu. Prameyatvam is there in Pataha. And Pata has a name. Pata is Vachya, Abhidheya. Ghata also is Prameya. Similarly, anything. Phone is there. Phone is prameya. Phone is also abhideya. Mind. Mind is prameya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mind is abhideya. Akasha, Kala, Dik, etc. They are prameya.
Yes.
They are abhideya. Manaha, prameya,
Yes.
Yes.
abhideya.
Yes.
Atma.
No.
Who said? Atma is not prameya in Nyaya Darshan.
Nyaya.
We are talking, you have to remember, Tarka Sangraha class is Nyaya Darshan. Atma is prameya and Atma is abhideya. So according to Nyaya Darshan, everything is prameya, everything is abhideya. In Vedanta Darshan, Atma is not prameya, but Atma is abhideya. In the sense,
Swamiji, in between
you
lost
can,
audio, Swamiji.
in Vedanta Darshan, Atma is not prameya. But you can, Atma has a name. You can say Atma has abhideyatvam, or you can just say, forget about Vedanta Darshan right now. In Nyaya Darshan, everything is prameya, everything is abhideya. So their vyapti is there. Yatra yatra abhideyatvam, tatra tatra prameyatvam. Yatra yatra prameyatvam, tatra tatra abhideyatvam. Sama vyapti is there. Okay. Now in Nyaya Darshan, see in Moolam further. Atra prameyatva abhideyatvayor vyatireka vyaptir nasti. In prameyatva and abhideyatva, atra prameyatva abhideyatvayoho vyatireka vyapti is not there. Vyatireka vyapti is not there. Means, hetu is giving. Sarvasyapi prameyatvat abhideyatvacha. Everything is prameya in Nyaya Darshan. Everything is abhideya. Because for Vyatireka Vyapti, what will be the nature of Vyatireka Vyapti? Yatra yatra abhideyatva abhava. Tatra tatra prameyatva abhava. Now where will you find abhideyatva abhava? Is there anything? Is there anything where there is no abhideya?
Nyaya Darshan, there is nothing that is not.
So there is no such thing which is not abhideya, and there is no such thing which is not prameya. Everything is prameya. So prameya abhava is also not available, abhideya abhava is not there. Therefore, there is no vyatireka vyapti. अम्मा आप म्यूट रखो.
हो जाता है पता नहीं.
अभिधेय अभाव, प्रमेय अभाव. So this is moolam. This much you understand. Therefore, there is no vyatireka vyapti in this anumana. Ghato abhideya prameyatvat. You have to memorize this anumana. Kevalanvayi drishtanta for kevalanvayi linga is this. So now kevalanvayi lakshanam is given. Anvaya matra vyaptikam kevalanvayi. This is the lakshana of kevalanvayi lingam. Further read. Wait. Anvayena. There is no Purna Viram in your book after Tatha? So when Purna Viram is there, you have to do Virama. You have to wait. then I will either tell something or ask something. Purna Virama is meant for Virama. Anvayena eva vyaptihi yasmin. This is meaning of what? Anvayena eva vyaptihi yasmin. This is the meaning of what?
अन्वयी व्याप्ति
No, this you read the Vakya and then you tell. Anvayena eva. Huh?
In which there is always Anvaya of Vyapya and Vyapaka.
No.
केवल अन्वयी लक्षण
In which there is only Anvaya, Vyapti is there.
This is a samasa vigraha. Anvayena eva vyaptir yasmin. This is samasa vigraha. So you have to look for samastapada somewhere. Samastapada is anvaya matra vyaptikam. This pada, how will you open the samasa? Anvaya matra vyaptihi yasmin. Saha anvaya matra vyaptikaha. Actually that saha, anybody's book says tat instead of saha. No, everybody's book has sa only. Ideal reading would have been tat. Anvayena eva vyaptihi yasmin tat anvaya matra vyaptikam. Now you see, in the samasta pada matra pada is there, and in vigraha eva is given. Everything else is same. Anvayena eva vyaptihi yasmin tad anvaya matra vyaptikam. So this samasa, the sutra is Mayura Vyansakadayascha. What is the sutra? Mayura Vyansakadayascha. Number you write down 2172. So in this Samasa Sutra, lot of different varieties are there. All those varieties, so many examples are there. One of them is this. Matrapada is replaced in the Vigraha by Eva. That's all. Everything else will remain the same. Anvaya Matra Vyaptikam, Anvayana Eva Vyaptikam. Bas, this is all that is done. Mayura Vansakadayascha. Sa tatha. So this is the meaning of Anvaya Matra Vyaptikam. Now further is Kevalanvaitva. So in this Anvaya Matra Vyaptikam is Kevalanvaitva. That is the Lakshanam. That is already given. Anvaya Matra Vyaptikam Kevalanvaitva. Okay, read further.
प्रमेयत्व अभिधेयत्वयोः व्यतिरेकव्याप्तिं निराकरोति अत्र इति.
Prameyatva and Abhidheyatva of these two. What is the sadhya?
अभिधेय
Abhidheyatvam. And hetu is Prameyatva. Prameyatva Abhidheyatvayoho, between them Vyatireka Vyapti is not possible. Vyatireka Vyaptim Nirakaroti. Its Nirakaranam is done here.
अभिधेयत्व साध्यकानुमान इत्यर्थः.
So this Anumana is Abhidheyatva Sadhyaka Anumanam. It will have Abhidheya as Sadhya. So Abhidheyatva is Sadhya. यस्मिन् अनुमाने तदनुमानम् अभिधेयत्वसाध्यकम् अभिधेयत्वं साध्यम यस्मिन् अनुमाने तदनुमानम् किम
अभिधेयत्व साध्य अनुमान
नो अभिधेयत्व साध्यकम अन्य पद विल बी अभिधेयत्व साध्यकम अभिधेयत्व साध्यक अनुमानम इज ऑलरेडी देयर अभिधेयत्व साध्यम अभिधेयत्वं साध्यम यस्मिन् अनुमाने तदनुमानम अभिधेयत्व साध्यकम that anumana is has abhideya as its sadhya. That anumanam will not have vyatireki vyapti. Further.
ननु कुतः तन्निषेधः अतः तत्र हेतुम् आह सर्वस्य इति.
Somebody is asking a question. Why are you doing nishedha of vyatireki vyapti in this anumana? Nanu kutah tannishedha. Tannishedha means व्यतिरेक व्याप्ते है निषेध ऑफ दिस व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति वाई आर यू डूइंग निषेध अतः तत्र हेतुमाह सो नाउ हेतु इज गिवन फॉर दैट सर्वस्य सर्वस्यापि प्रमेयत्वात् अभिधेयत्वाच्च दिस इज द हेतु. रीड फर्दर.
पदार्थमात्रस्य इत्यर्थः.
पदार्थ मात्रस्य means what is the why padartha matrasya is given? Why padartha matrasya is given?
Because prameya or abhideya.
Nobody?
सप्त पदार्थस्य सर्व means
sarva means padartha matra. See, sarvasya is there in mool in the tika as pratika. सर्वस्य इति दैट इज देयर इन मूलम. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सर्व? बोले पदार्थ मात्र. पदार्थ मात्रस्य मीन्स नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी पदार्थ मात्रस्य मीन्स व्हाट? व्हाई देयर इज सो मच साइलेंस?
अभिधेय.
No, padartha matrasya means what is included in padartha matra? हाँ, द्रव्य गुण कर्म सामान्य विशेष समवाय अभाव सप्त पदार्थाः. पदार्थ मात्रस्य means don't have your own idea of what is padartha. Padartha was already defined in the beginning in Tarka Sangraha. That padartha meaning you have to take. Everything you have to use based on the lakshanas given. So sarvasya means padartha matrasya. Padartha matrasya means all dravya, all guna, karma, samanya, vishesh, samvaya, abhava, all of them are prameya, all of them are abhideya. See, sometimes we think what is there, I can read Sanskrit, I know Tarka Sangraha. I am telling you, there will be so many things that you will realize you don't know.
तथा च
सकलपदाभिधेयत्वस्य
ध्येयत्वस्य ईश्वर प्रमा विषयत्वस्य च अत्यंत अभाव प्रतियोगित्व योगित्वः उपकेवल
योगित्व रूप
केवल अन्वयत्वेन
तद् अभाव प्रसिद्ध्या
अप्रसिद्ध्या
अप्रसिद्ध्या तद्घटित व्यतिरेक व्याप्तिनं संभवति एव इति भावः.
without splitting in between.
तथा च सकलपदाभिधेयत्वस्य sorry सकलपदाभिधेयत्वस्य ईश्वरप्रमा विषयत्वस्य च आत्म without splitting Swamiji.
Okay. तथा च अत्यंत अभाव अप्रतियोगित्व. I told you without splitting. You are splitting every word. तथा च सकलपदाभिधेयत्वस्येश्वर प्रमा विषयत्वस्य च आत्यन्ताभावा प्रतियोगित्वरूपकेवलान्वयित्वेन तदभावा प्रसिद्ध्या तद्घटितव्यतिरेकव्याप्तिर्न सम्भवत्येव इति भावः. Okay. Try to understand. Big sentence there. सकलपद अभिधेयत्वस्य ईश्वर प्रमा विषयत्वस्य च. Everything which is abhideya and which is Ishwara Prama Vishaya. So, what is Ishwara Prama Vishaya? Now, suddenly Tikakar has brought this. Anything of creation, according to Nyaya Darshan, is Ishwara Prama Vishaya. Whether Jiva knows it or not, Ishwara knows everything because Ishwara is Sarvagnya. तो ईश्वर इज सर्वम जानाति. देयरफॉर सकल पद इज अभिधेय एंड एवरीथिंग इज ईश्वर प्रमा विषय. सकल पदाभिधेयत्वस्य ईश्वर प्रमा विषयत्वस्य च. ऑफ ऑल दिस एवरीथिंग विच इज देयर इन द क्रिएशन अत्यंताभावा प्रतियोगित्व रूप केवलान्वयित्वेन तद अभाव अप्रसिद्ध्या. अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी. फर्स्ट यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड. अयम घटः. दिस घट इज देयर. ओके. दिस घट हैज अभाव elsewhere. It is there in my hand. So elsewhere asya ghatasya abhava, atyanta abhava. So this ghata is called atyanta bhava pratiyogi. This ghata is called atyanta bhava pratiyogi, means somewhere this ghata is absent. This pataha, I am pataha, what pata I am wearing, it is also atyanta bhava pratiyogi. Kasmat, its abhava is there elsewhere. Somewhere its abhava is there. So, this ghataha, pataha, they all are atyanta bhava pratiyogi. Okay. What will be atyanta bhava apratiyogi? Atyanta bhava apratiyogi will be that which does not have atyanta bhava anywhere. That which does not have atyanta bhava anywhere is called atyanta bhava apratiyogi. Means it is present everywhere. So now the question is, what is present everywhere? So you see, सकल पद अभिधेयत्वम is atyantabhava apratyogitvam. Why? Because abhidheyatvam is available everywhere. Akasha is everywhere. Akasha is abhidheya. Kala is everywhere. Kala is abhidheya. Dik is everywhere. Dik is abhidheya. Similarly, Akasha is Ishvara Prama Vishaya. Kala is Ishvara Prama Vishaya. Dik, Atma, all Parmanus, whatever is there everywhere. All of them are Abhideya. All of them are Ishvara Prama Vishaya. Therefore, they have Atyantabhava Apratiyogitvam. So, Atyantabhava Pratiyogitva Rupa Kevalanvaitvena. Those things are called Kevala Anvayi. There only Anvaya is there, their Vyatireka is not there, their Abhava is not there. Abhidheyatva Abhava is not there. Abhidheyatva is everywhere. Ishvara Prama Vishaya is everywhere. Ishvara Prama Vishayatva Abhava is not there. Therefore, Tad Abhava Aprasiddhi is there. Tad Abhava Aprasiddhya. This much you understood, everybody? Sakala Pada Abhidheyatva is everywhere. Ishvara Prama Vishayatva is everywhere. Therefore, their Atyanta Bhava Apratiyogitva is Atyanta Bhava Apratiyogitva is not there. Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogitva Rupa Kevalanvaitvena Tad Abhava Aprasiddhya. Its Abhava is Aprasiddha. Kevalanvayi Vastu Abhava is not Prasiddha. It is not there. Therefore, it is Aprasiddha. Aprasiddhya Tad Ghatita Vyatireka Vyapti na Sambhavati eva iti bhava. Tad Ghatita means where the Abhava is there, that will become the Ghataka. Yatra Yatra Abhidheyatva Abhava Tatra Tatra Prameyatva Abhava. Correct? There will be Vyatireka Vyapti. Vyatireka Vyapti hi na sambhavati eva. There is no possibility of Vyatireka Vyapti only. So what you will have to do, you will have to take such sentences. First read them properly. Then you yourself see if you have understood this Vakya or not. You will have to do homework. This text will require that you sit with the text and you study again. Otherwise, you in class you will think, yes, everything is so clear. And like you know how Sarvasya means, you don't know. Padartha Matra, what is Padartha? So you don't just say Padartha means object. So everything you will have to sit and go through. So I hope this Vakya is clear. Vyatireka Vyapti is not possible. Why? Because the Kevalanvayi Vastunaha Abhava. Now you see here Kevalanvayitvena is given, right? In the Tika. Kevalanvayitvena Tad Abhava Aprasiddhya. Now you know what is this Kevalanvayi? This Kevalanvayi is not Lingam. This Kevalanvayi is Padartha. Abhidheyatva Padartha Matrasya is given, right? So Padartha is Kevalanvayi because of Abhidheyatva, because of Ishvara Prama Vishayatva. Ishvara Prama Vishayatva Padartha is Kevalanvayi. Ishvara Sakala Abhidheya is Kevalanvayi. So Padartha is Kevalanvayi. Therefore, in that Abhava Prasiddhi is not there. Therefore, Vyatireki Vyapti is not there. Therefore, this Lingam is called Kevalanvayi Lingam. Understood? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।